Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Feeling stuck with your writing? Whether you are a student cramming for exams or a professional crafting the perfect report, Quillbot AI is here to help. Meet Quillbot, your all-in-one writing assistant. With its powerful AI technology, Quillbot makes writing, editing, and enhancing your work easier than ever. Need a fresh take on your ideas? Quillbot's paraphraser can rephrase sentences while maintaining your original meaning. It's perfect for avoiding plagiarism or simply finding the right words. Choose from multiple paraphrasing modes to suit your writing style. Whether you need something straightforward, more polished, or creatively reimagined, Quillbot has you covered. Customization is the key. With Quillbot's adjustable settings, you can tailor your writing to fit any context. Want a formal tone for a business proposal or a casual vibe for a blog post? Just select your preferred style and let Quillbot do the rest. Pressed for time? Use the summarizer tool to condense lengthy articles or papers into bite-sized summaries. Whether it's research for your next big project or notes for a meeting, Quillbot helps you grasp key points in flash. And don't forget about the grammar checker. Quillbot reviews your work for errors, offering real-time suggestions to enhance clarity and correctness. It's like having a personal editor available 24/7. Looking for inspiration? The co-writer feature allows you to brainstorm ideas with Quillbot. It generates prompts and outlines, ensuring you never run out of the things to say. Join thousands of users who have unlocked their writing potential with Quillbot. From students to professionals, everyone can benefit from enhanced clarity and creativity. Explore the vibrant community around Quillbot, share tips, ask questions, and find inspirations from fellow users who are just as passionate about writing as you are. To know more about AI detectors and how to humanize your AI generated content, enroll now. Link given in description. Join Botpanels to smooth your digital journey and workflow. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay creative, stay updated.